Hello, my dear family members. Happy Independence Day to all of my dear family members, brothers, sisters, parents, teachers, and all. As of now, I expect that you all are dependent on your parent. Now, this year onwards, I want you to take the oath. You will no longer be dependent on your father. You will not take the pocket money from this year only. So, take the job at any MNC or start your own startup and let's be independent. Okay, so I hope I will do that. Now let me discuss a few important things about the Virtusa. If you had given the first round of Virtusa exam on 9th, 10th or 12th July and you didn't receive the second round mail for 18th or 20th July and you are now getting the mail for 20th August exam, still if you are waiting and you must be preparing like how to prepare for Virtusa, you must have this question, right? How to prepare for Virtusa second round and where to prepare the previous year questions and what is the best strategy. So let me discuss all of this in this video and I'll share one important coding questions as well which was asked in second round, which the exam was held on 18th, 19th and 20th July. So let me discuss the recent questions as well with the resources. So at first let me tell you how to prepare for Virtusa. Okay, so as all of you know guys, Mercer Metal is conducting their exam and for the first round they asked 3 normal coding questions and 2 power coding questions, right? That means they are giving the questions from their bucket. Like they have some questions for Virtusa. Okay, they have questions for Cognizant, they have questions for Accenture. So for all of these companies they have separate questions, and as they are conducting the second round as well, so from the same bucket they will give the questions. Okay, that means the same questions can be shuffled. Okay, let's say as this will be physical round under the invigilator, that means the exam will be lesser easier, lesser harder. Okay, I mean more easier than the online one, because under invigilator the exam will be more easier. And very honestly, who are getting the mail for second round? Those who solved both power coding questions and could not solve normal coding questions, they are also getting the second round mail. So if you are someone who had solved both power coding questions and not solved any of the basic coding, they are also getting. So you wait, you will get the mail. Okay, and if you solved at least one, two normal coding and one power coding, then also you are getting the mail. Okay, so please wait. If you have not received it yet, you will get it. Okay, and now let me discuss from where you can prepare previous year questions. Actually, last year there was no such term called second round in Virtusa. Okay, there was no physical round happened last year. That means they have invented this second round in 2025. So there will be no first second round questions available in internet. Only we are providing the second round questions which they have asked on 19th or 20th July. Okay, so if you want to prepare the latest questions with answers, if you want to prepare the sample questions which they are asking repeatedly for Virtusa, then please visit topmint.io/techno_uf. There you will get all the things you need to prepare. If you are preparing for the beginning, then also there are technical questions, DBMS, like all the technical questions, MCQs, coding, power coding, and also interview questions, mock test, email essay writing questions, which will be very much helpful for second round. In second round there will be one email or essay writing question, so you have to prepare for that as well. So those are also included. Also we have included second round coding questions, so please be prepared for that. Just visit topmint.io/techno_uf. There we have provided all the things you need to prepare. Okay, so the link will be given in the description box or in the comment section, so please go through that. And one important thing for you, that is we are providing the plan lot in which you will get total 25 top MNCs questions. Which questions, which companies are included? that is Apple, Meta, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Oracle, Uber, Twitter, Accenture, Cognizant, TCS, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, Deloitte, Capgemini, Delta, Zoho, and total 25 MNC's questions are included there. And you can see there, this is the feedback of students, and the most important and the best thing is that we are providing 50% off, flat off on this. Just visit guys the link given in the description box. Like it is 899, it will be only 400, that means 398 only. So this opportunity is for first 5 candidates. So if you want this, and I know you want, like you need this, because in the upcoming time there will be more hiring, so you need this. And not only for plan lord, if you want the plan victory, where we have included top 15 MNC's questions, you can visit there as well. The link will be given in the description box. And if you purchase the like material, will be looking like this, like this will be the question, like PDFs, and here the answers and questions are provided below. And this type of PDFs will be there, several PDFs. Okay, that means more than 10-12 PDFs are there, so please visit and grab the opportunity. Okay, now let me discuss the recent questions of Virtusa, which is very much helpful for you because they will repeat the questions. Okay, so this is the question. Given a binary search tree and two nodes values P and Q, find their lowest common ancestor. Find their lowest common ancestor, LCA. The LCA of two nodes is the lowest or deepest node that has both nodes as descendants. Okay, so let's say for example, if this is the binary search tree and if the value of P is 2 and Q is 8, the answer is output is 6. Why? Because they are sharing common ancestor. Okay, and if the value of P is 0 and the Q is 4, the common ancestor is 2, that's why output is 2. If the value of Q is 9 and P is 7, then the common ancestor is 8, so output will be 8. Okay, so I hope you understood what's the task. Now please start solving the questions by yourself and give me the answer in the comment section in Java only, because they are allowing only Java, so please give the answer in Java. Okay, and guys, I let me just give you the answer. Just before that, please make sure that you have subscribed this channel and watch the playlist regarding any company that you want. Okay, so the answer is given below. Like let me start from the main function. So well, I'll explain the main function. Just before that, let me just discuss the structure of the tree node. So we have to get the structure of binary search tree, right? So there we have to have 3 total values. That is one should be the root, and one should be the left node, one should be the right node. Okay, so these terminologies, these values should be there in the structure. So we have to define that structure at first inside the class tree node. Here we have declared the variable in value. This is the root, and the tree node, the left and right value should be the type of tree node itself. Okay, and this is a constructor where we are just initiating the value, like we are initializing the value as this x. Okay, okay, so now let me just go to the main function, where what we have done is that let me just tell you. So at first, as the tree node class was including only one value, only one value in constructor, that's why we have included this as the root. Okay, this is the root, and then this is the root, right? Then we are initializing the values like root dot left is equal to new tree node 2. So root dot left, so left the value will be 2, and root dot right, the new tree node will be 8. Okay, as this is the greater than 6, so it will be in the right, and it is lesser than, that's why it is in the left. And root dot left dot left, so left root dot left, the value is 0, and root dot left dot right, root dot left dot right is 4, and then root dot left dot right dot left, root dot left dot right dot left, that is 3, and root dot left dot right, right dot right is 7, and root dot right dot right, root dot right dot right, sorry, oh, sorry, I missed one thing, that is root dot left dot right is 5, okay, and root dot right dot left is 7, and right dot right is 9. So this is how we define the structure and we initialize the value for a binary search tree. Okay, I hope you understood. Now what we want to find, that is the value of P and Q, then we want to find the common ancestor, right? So tree node type P is equal to, like, this is all tree nodes, right? So if I write root dot right dot left, root dot right dot left, that means 7, so value of P is 7, so this will return a tree node type value, right? Tree node type value, so that's why we have to store that value inside tree node type variable. Okay, tree node P is equal to that value, that means value is 7, and tree node Q is equal to root dot right, that is 9, so value of Q is 9. So we will find the value for P7 Q9. Okay, here we are finding for the values 7 and 9. Okay, so now let me just discuss the function, that is here we have like got tree node LCA is equal to lowest common ancestor, one will be root, and the value we are looking for P and Q. Okay, and here is the function, so we'll directly jump to the implementation of this function. So whatever the value will be returning, that will be type of tree node, and that's why we are storing that inside the tree node variable, and will return that value in, like, printing the value, nothing else. Okay, so let me share the implementation of the functions, what this is showing. Okay, so I hope this is properly visible to you. So public class main, inside the main only we have to write. Okay, now obviously this should be the return type. Okay, tree node, and you can see the root is type of tree node, P and Q, all the types are tree node. Okay, because we are inheriting that value, right? So while the root is not equal to null, it is checking if P dot val, sorry, it should be 9. So if the value of P and Q both are lesser than the root dot val, if this is the root, right? If both are lesser than the root dot val, then it will set the root is equal to root dot left. But this is not the scenario. The scenario is else if P dot val and Q dot val both are greater than the root dot val, then we will initialize the root is equal to root dot right. So in this case, this is true, right? That means 7 and 9 both are greater than 6. So that's why it is initializing the root is equal to root dot right, that is root is equal to root dot right, that is 8. New value of the common ancestor is now there is 8, and it will then return nothing because then it has no root. Okay, now they have no root, so that's why it will return 8. Let's say if the value of P is 3 and the value of Q is 5, then what would happen? That's the thing you have to know. In this case, the P dot val and Q dot val is lesser than the root dot val. Okay, so that's why it will execute this line, root is equal to root dot left. So that means the new value of root will be 2, root dot left. Okay, as of now the root is not equal to null. It is the root now, and it will check again. If the P dot val and Q dot val is lesser than this. If lesser than P dot val and Q dot val is lesser than the root dot val, no, it is like these are greater than the root. So that's why it will return, it will execute this root is equal to root dot right. So the current root is 2, then like it will return root is equal to root dot right means their root dot right is 4, so it will return 4. I hope you understood. Okay, so now let me just run this code and let me show you how it is working. Okay, so for 7 and 9 the output should be 8. Okay, and for 3 and 5 the output should be 4, right? For 3 and 5, for 3 and 5 the output should be 4. So let me just copy it, paste. So right dot left, the output should be 4, right? And as you can see, the output is as we expected, 3 and 5 the output should be 4. Okay, so guys, I hope you understood. Still, if you have any confusion, then please let me know in the comment sections. And if you want me to discuss more, and I want to discuss actually the essay writing questions in the next video, because this video is going to be more longer, so please comment down that you want more round 2 questions, so that I'll focus on Virtusa only and not on other companies. So the more I'll get attention on this company, the more will be the video uploading. Okay, so I hope you understood. Again, I'm requesting you to have the prime materials of Virtusa, Cognizant, or any company that you want. Like in these days, Cognizant and Virtusa, Delta X hiring, also PwC and which company? HCL, Infosys, Wipro, they are hiring. So I want you to have the plan, Lord. Test it once and just get the feedback of students they're getting it. Okay, and be independent this year only. Okay, and must use this coupon code India so that you can fetch that. Okay, so thank you for today's session.